Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 2-pack of LED shop lights from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at their features, give them a try. Okay, let's open them up. You have the LED shop light, installation details, product details. You have one of the 2 LED lights. Looks very good. Here's the second light and cord. You have 4 mounting brackets, some washers and turn screws, a couple of packs of screws, and sheetrock anchors for mounting the lights if needed. Okay, let's take a closer look at the lights themselves. It has a glass front. You have a total of 36 LEDs per light, which will be very, very bright. Operates off of a 120 volt electrical outlet. It has a beam angle of 120 degrees, so 120 degrees top to bottom as far as range. And with these brackets and thumb screws, it can be mounted to the wall, to the ceiling, or to the floor, wherever desired. It is waterproof. It's IP66 waterproof. It has a color temperature of 6,000, and you have the on and off switch here. And this cord is a little over 9 feet long, so it should allow good access for having an AC source close by the light. So let's put on a couple of the mounting brackets just to kind of see how these work. Okay, this mounting bracket, you have a single hole here, 2 holes here. These 2 holes will mount up against the ceiling or the wall or the floor, and this will mount to the light itself. So you place the lock washer on first, then the flat washer, and this bracket will face to the outside of the light. And then just tighten that into place. So let's take a closer look at that. So you can just hand tighten this, and to get the angle that you would like, if it's mounted to the ceiling or to the floor, just loosen and tighten it. So let's put the other one on. So if we use this as an example, say we were mounting to the floor, but you wanted it at this angle, you just loosen these up and then tighten those, and it would stay at this angle. Same thing if it's mounted to the ceiling, it would stay at an angle. Okay, I've got the 2 LED lights plugged into the electrical outlet. Both lights are just sitting on these brackets that's been provided. Have them kind of angled up toward the ceiling, away from the workbench. I have my under the counter lights on underneath the cabinets. We'll turn those off in a moment, and then we'll see how bright they are. Okay, let's turn the under the counter lights off. Let's turn them toward the desk. And you can see quite a bit of light in there as well. So you can see how bright and how effective these 36 LEDs per light will be. If they're shining on the ceiling down to your workbench, you can see it'll provide quite a bit of light. You put these on the ceiling of your workshop, put these on the floor shining up without necessarily mounting them, but over your vehicle if you're having to work on it, and so forth. Really like the fact that you have this 9-foot plus cord. You have the on and off switch for the light and that feature there. So I highly recommend this pack of 2 LED shop lights.